you are holding the president of NCA, Meghalaya Cricket. Is there any problem in continuing?
No, I think the law is very clear on that any cricket association, the Lodha Commission and Supreme Court are clear that as an MLA, as an MP, you can hold an executive position in sports associations, not as a minister or not as a government servant.
So will you be intervening? They are not getting salary, the support staff, NCA. So will you be intervening?
This is an internal matter of the MCA. Of course, I don't shy away from the fact that there are problems. These are problems which have been going on for a very long time, legacy issues. And because of those kind of challenges and those kind of problems, that certain processes have come to a stop, but we expect to resolve all those kind of problems and issues at the earliest, so that the salaries can be addressed. I'm very, very concerned about the staff, be it the support staff or the office staff. So we are trying very hard to ensure that we can resolve that at the earliest.
So will be a commitment to the women cricketers, because there has been no committee on sexual harassment in the cricket association.
Correct. There has to be an internal committee for posh cases. So that I took over in the month of January, as you all know. So it's not been a very long time, but I'm very, very aware of the situation and the lacunae and the loopholes that are there in the MCA. For example, we did not have an ombudsman for a good 2 years in the past. So the first thing that I did as an MCA president was to fill up that post and to bring in an ombudsman. Similarly, the internal complaints committee also is something that we will be taking up immediately now. We are just waiting for the report to come from the Women's Commission. As and when that report is brought out, we will take appropriate steps to address the issues pertaining to the internal complaints committee.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.